Hi everybody, Jane Belante here. So I just started preparing a background for this journal page spread. I'm using a chalk style paint with acrylic in it and it blends really well. So I just had a lot of fun kind of playing around and laying down color. Well, the theme of this page is bloom, so I found a whole bunch of just beautiful wildflower and flower rub-ons, and so I added those to the background. I also decoupaged in a tissue from Dina Wakley of a face, and then I put some more of the rub-on flowers around her hair. I have the Recede and the Little Eddie Rose stencil, and I'm going to use some stencil fiber paste to make a little bit of raised stenciling here for her hair. So you can see this has like a marshmallow fluff consistency. It's really easy to press through the stencil as long as you use a tool that has a flat top. I did let the fiber paste dry completely before putting on the Little Eddie Rose stencil, and you can use your heat tool to speed that along as well. Then just repeat the process. I wanted a little bit more of that flower to go down in her hair, so I'm just repositioning it and adding a little bit of fiber paste. You can see I'm being super careful here because the paste isn't dry, so I don't want to smash it down. So just take your time if you're adding. You can see I'm just only putting pressure in that little area. So I'm adding two more stencils here. I'm adding the Abstract Rosette and I'm adding the Carnation. And I'm just repeating the process, making sure that the paste is dry in between the two stencils, and it looks super pretty. So now I wanted to add color to that fiber paste, and I have decided to add some of the same colors that are in the background. So I'm just building my color here little by little. Then I've added some gold gilding wax and some pink decor wax to just kind of brighten it up and give it a little shine. I stamped the word bloom from the Emotions and Feelings alphabet stencil onto a piece of tissue, and here I'm just using matte medium to adhere it down. I love how the tissue just kind of disappears and the word kind of really pops off of the page. So fun.